You want me to be this stifled, flickering flame in a wet cave, but I'm busting out, Daddy. It's fun. Thermos.
Stalkers get hungry.
Pull over, Beverly.
I have places to go. What would happen if you f***ed Kasha Davis? Well, I just observe and I notice things, and then when you lie about them, I bring them up.
And I did a self-Polaroid photo shoot.
For me, pregnancy is not a miracle. So no. Those lashes don't look like you skinned a black beaver.
Mama.
Your family? That was not even genetic.
Hear me, step aunt.
Okay.
Wait, was that you at 20?
Yeah.
Would you stop?
No. Because I'm in my 30s, I'm all about me.
I've got. Which is normal age. I never saw her again. Bangs are the curtain of the head, which is the eyes to the windows to the soul.
Cat school, mama. Get into it.
Oh, God.
Still here. Really?
No.
But I'm taking off the clothes and licking the breasts.
Please don't.
Like, they're just floppy. You get the, because then it gets a little like, you know what I mean? So I think that'd be wonderful, Jerry. I am so distracted about how good I look right now. That's gay. Well, I know what to do.
You just don't.
I don't do it. Yeah.
For you to go for
It doesn't
that.
have to be a date. I'm just in the. You want my fat, you butt? Her name was Cindy, she lived in a chair. She was disabled, oh, but she had nice hair, thick and glossy, ooh, down to her feet.